Hello, look, that question 3 and 9 are cancelled. And here we will get 3. So we will get 3 divided by 3, which will be equal to 1. And 1 will be our answer. But remember that all this is not correct. So I have solved it again according to correct order of operation, which is given by PEMDAS or BODMAS or DMAS rule. By this rule, we have multiplication and division both have same priority, but DMAS told us that we have to move from left to right. Okay, now it is at left and multiplication is at right. So what have do we first division? Why? Because it is at left. So we have to move from left to right to get the correct answer. So 3 as it is, this division is solved first and it is converted into multiplication. So this portion has to be flipped. So it will be 1 over 3. When it is flipped, it will become 3 over 1 times their 9, which will be as it is. So 3 and 3 will be equal to 9. And it is also 9. So 9 times 9, it will be equal to 81, which is the correct answer. So the first is in which we have solved this portion separately, and this get answer 1, which was not correct. So after obeying PEMDAS rule from left to right, we have got answer 81, which is the correct answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.